Good morning to all of you. Good morning, students. Am I audible and visible to all of you clearly? Will you please confirm me? Am I audible and visible to all of you? Okay, very nice. Okay, very good morning to all of you. Lovely. Very good. So everyone is giving their attendance also along with the greetings. Okay, very nice. Now, students, we were learning sound words, right? We were learning sound words, and yesterday I uploaded a class which was not able to be uploaded day before yesterday, and some of the students, they are only following the YouTube classes because of their some different type of circumstances. Maybe father and mother both are engaged at office, so their phone is not available to them. That's why in the evening time they go through the YouTube classes which has been done during the online classes, right? So for them, as the class was missed, I uploaded the last day's class, which was the repetition of previous day. Now today we are going to do, again in your book it has been given ng words, but today we are going to do ang words. Okay, ang sound words. Ang, ang. Last day we did ing, that is ing sound words, and today we are going to do ang sound words, a n g. So let us write the heading. First of all date, then after heading a n g sound words, right? So here ang sound words, first of all we will complete as far as possible which are aware to us. Okay, so the first few of the words has been given in the book, but these sounds are some of the words with the particular sound which we need to know the particular meaning also. Okay, otherwise we won't be able to remember them. Until and unless we know the meaning of something, we won't be able to relate it with something other. How do we remember, you know? আমরা কি মনে রাখতে পারি? যেটা একে অপরের সঙ্গে রিলেটেড। ওকে, যেরকম সকালবেলা উঠতে হবে, উঠেই কি করতে হবে? ব্রাশ। সো ব্রাশ অ্যান্ড মর্নিং ওয়েকিং আপ ইজ রিলেটেড টু ইচ আদার, রাইট? ওরকমই আমরা প্রত্যেকটা কাজ মনে রাখি একে অপরের সঙ্গে রিলেট করে। সকালে উঠেই যখন আমরা খেতে যাব তখনই আমাদের কি মনে হবে, ও ব্রাশটা করা হয়নি, দ্যাট মিন্স খাবার আর ব্রাশিং রিলেটেড, রাইট? ইন দ্য সেম ম্যানার each and every word you should know the meaning so that you can relate them with something other which is important to that one, right? So the first word over here has been given bang, B-A-N-G. It is A-N-G word. This time sound is important as well as meaning is also important. So bang is a word that means, first of all, number one, it's bang, B-A-N-G. Bang, A-N-G, B-A-N-G, bang. Okay, B-A-N-G, bang. Now what is the meaning of bang? Meaning of bang is loud sound, chori awaj. Okay, if I am hitting something, like if this duster is being hit on the table, so a sound is there, right? And this sound, that means any object when it is hitting to anything hard, then a loud sound comes out. Right? You heard that sound just now? I made this duster just hit on the table and a sound came out. And usually what we say, what a bang it was. What a bang it was. That means what a loud sound it was. So bang means loud sound. Bang means loud sound, okay, which is being created by hitting something with the another hard object, which is hitting any hard object with another hard object. Then a sound comes out which is quite loud and it is known as bang. What it is known as? Bang. Okay? Very good. So today we understood the meaning of bang. Okay? Bang মানে বাংলার ব্যাং নয়. Okay? Okay. তাহলে বাংলার ব্যাংটা কি হবে? বাংলার ব্যাংটা কি হবে? My BMS champions, বাংলার ব্যাংটা কি হবে? Yes, excellent, very good. So it's frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Shauhaddo, not E, okay? F-R-O-G, very good. Now let's go for the next word and it is hang. H-A-N-G, hang, H-A-N-G. So let us write down H-A-N-G. Now hang usually we know that is to fixing something from the top. Okay, উপর থেকে কিছুকে ঝুলিয়ে দেওয়া, like it can be fan, it can be a decoration item which we hang on the ceiling, it can be a flower pot. Hanging flower pots are available in the market, so they hang from the top and it can be moved very easily in a loosened manner at the bottom, right? So it's hang, that means we hang everything on a hook, right? It can be a ball, it can be a fan, right? It can be a fan. So it is hanging. What it is called? Hang. What the fan is? Hanging. Okay, this ball is hanging. So hang, hang mane ঝুলিয়ে নেওয়া, ঝোলানো. Okay, hang, H-A-N-G, hang. Now let's go for the next one, that is bang, P-A-N-G, bang. Number 3, P-A-N-G, bang. And what do you mean by bang? Bang means suddenly having the feeling of some emotional or physical pain. Now what do you mean by that? ম্যাম এত বড় বড় শব্দ বলে দিলে কি করে বুঝবো? ঠিক, একদম ঠিক, এত বড় বড় শব্দ তোমরা ছোট্ট ছোট্টরা কি করে বুঝবে? This means যখন আমাদের খিদে পায়, when you are hungry, তুমি কি বলো মাকে? মা খেতে দাও, খিদে পেয়েছে, পেটে ব্যথা করছে, রাইট? সেই যে হঠাৎ করে যে পেটে ব্যথা করার ফিলিংটা, এই যে তোমার পেটে ব্যথা করার ফিলিংটা, ওকে, পেটে লাগছে, অনেক হেঁটেছো, আজকে জু গার্ডেন বেড়াতে গেছো, প্রচুর হেঁটেছো, আর তারপরে বাড়িতে এসে মাকে কি বলে পায়ে লাগছে, দ্যাট মিন্স your legs are paining. তো সাডেনলি দ্য ওয়ে ইউ আর ফিলিং, তুমি হঠাৎ করে যে ফিলিংটা তোমার হচ্ছে, মেবি ইট ইজ ফিজিক্যাল, তার মানে মেবি ওটা শরীরে হতে পারে, অথবা কেউ তোমার সঙ্গে একটা বাজে মজা করেছে, ঠিক আছে? তোমার সুন্দর একটা গাড়ি ছিল আর সেই গাড়িটাকে হঠাৎ করে মা সকালবেলা উঠে বলেছে যে ওই গাড়িটা আমি কিন্তু ফেলে দিয়েছি, it has gone to dustbin because you have not kept it at its accurate place. তুমি ওটাকে জায়গায় রাখোনি, তাই জন্য তোমার পানিশমেন্ট হচ্ছে আমি ওই গাড়িটাকে ফেলে দিয়েছি। তাহলে তুমি কিরকম ফিল করবে? হাউ ইউ উইল ফিল? তুমি এরকম করতে পারলে আমার সঙ্গে, তুমি এরকম ফেলে দিলে, রাইট? তো এটা কি হলো? পেন, ইমোশনাল পেন, তোমার কষ্ট হলো, রাইট? So this is called pang. Suddenly having a pain physically or emotionally. হয়তো তোমাকে কেউ মনে ব্যথা দিয়েছে, কষ্ট দিয়েছে, অথবা তোমার শরীরে কোথাও হঠাৎ করে ব্যথা হয়েছে, তো সেটাকে বলা হয় প্যাং। What it is called? What it is called? Come on, all of you. What it is called? Yes, very good. I got the answer from Tathagata. So it is called pang. Very good. Very good. And Shubham, I can see Shubham sending lots of emojis. Shubham, will you please stop it, beta? Prior also I have told you, this is not the place to send emojis. If you are eager to answer my questions, you are most welcome. Okay? If you are eager to answer my questions, you are most welcome. Please answer my questions, but don't send any type of emojis. I hope you can understand English properly. Okay. So here comes the pang. Now let us go for rang. Now we understood the meaning of bang. We understood the meaning of hang. We understood the meaning of pang. Now we will go for next word, that is rang. R-A-N-G. Rang. And this is the past tense of ring. This is the past tense of ring. ing word ring. The phone is ringing. The doorbell is ringing. And when it happens, that means past tense means jeta already hoye geche, jeta hocche ring, jeta hoye geche rang. The phone rang, doorbell rang, beje chilo, phone beje chilo. Okay, so the word which is in past tense, it's ang, rang. Okay, so here comes the word ang, rang. That means the past tense of ring is rang. ওকে, আন্ডারস্টুড? যেটা হয়ে গেছে রিং। আর কালকে আমরা পড়েছিলাম রিং, RING, বাজছে, ফোনটা বাজছে, মানে ফোনটা যদি এখন বাজে, যেরকম আমি এখন কথা বলছি, আই এম টকিং টু ইউ, আই এম টকিং টু ইউ। ওকে, অ্যান্ড যদি আমি এটা কালকে বলি যে আমি কালকে তোমাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলছিলাম, আই স্পোক টু ইউ, রাইট? তখন এটা হয়ে যাবে স্পোক টু ইউ, আমি কথা বলেছিলাম। ওকে, আই এম স্পিকিং, আই স্পোক, আই এম টকিং, আই টকড। ওকে, রাইট? Okay, so in the same way, the phone was ringing, that is ring and rang. The phone ring, the phone rang. Okay, now ang word, there is one more. We will do 5 words, though it has been given only 4 words over here. I will add one more to you, and that is number 5, that is gang. G-A-N-G, gang. Gang means a team. It's a collective noun which is যখন আমরা অনেকগুলো চোর একসঙ্গে ধরি তখন আমরা কি বলি? গ্যাং অফ রবার্স, গ্যাং অফ থিভস, সবাই মিলে এরা চুরি করতো, ঠিক আছে? ইটস আ গ্যাং। ওকে, সো G-A-N-G, gang. G-A-N-G, again A-N-G, word sound is there. Okay, G-A-N-G. Now if I say it's number 6, S-A-N-G, again A-N-G sound, that is S-A-N-G, sang. That means past tense of sing. She sing, she sang. Okay, past tense of sing. গান গাইছে, গান গেয়েছিল. Okay, sang, S-A-N-G. So these are the 6 words today we learned with A-N-G sound. First one is B-A-N-G, bang. H-A-N-G, hang. P-A-N-G, pang. R-A-N-G, rang. G-A-N-G, gang. And S-A-N-G, sang. Okay, so all of you will write this one in your, yes, very good, gang mane dol, very good Srijan. So here comes the 6 words you will write in your copy, and then after you will send it to me. So already Rudraditya has done his work. Very good Rudraditya, well done. Next comes Siddharth. Very good Siddharth, well done beta. But I cannot, I think your picture clipping has skipped that one. I hope you have written your date and heading also, right? And here comes Shauhardo. Very good Shauhardo beta. Very good handwriting. Cursive handwriting has been done very nicely. Next comes Simran. And I would request Simran's parents to please click the picture from the top portion. It is in the horizontal order and I cannot trace the words properly, sir. So I would request you to click the picture properly from the top portion of the writing and please send it to me. So here comes even very good handwriting, Anurag, and even I would request Anurag's parents also to click the picture from the top. Okay, let me show you. If the book is like this, please click the picture from here. এইভাবে যদি আপনি একটু ছবিটা তোলেন তাহলে আমার পক্ষে দেখতে সুবিধা হবে, না হলে ছবিটা এইখান থেকে তুললে ইট লুকস স্লান্টিং, আমি ঠিক করে পড়তে পারছি না. ওকে, I hope you can understand my problem. Okay, yes, now Anurag. Okay, next comes our Prithviraj. Very good Prithviraj, very good. But Prithviraj, A-N-G, you have to put inverted comma, single inverted comma, so that you can emphasize the particular word. Okay, next is Simran. Okay, very nice Simran, very good. And here comes Ashmita. Ashmita, I would tell you to write your heading also in a 4-line line, okay, on one particular line, not in the middle of 2 gaps. It should be written in one line between 2 blue lines. Okay, heading should be perfect, it should not be written in that manner. And the rest of the part, it will be good if you write in a vertical form. Okay, write in the vertical form as I am writing on the board, otherwise everything is fine. And next is Moyuk. Moyuk, your picture is very hazy. I would request Moyuk's guardian to please click the picture once more clearly and please send it to me. Shyam Prabhu, very nice, it's a nice click, I can read each and every word very nicely. Thank you, ma'am. So here comes, very good. Shyam Prabhu, I would tell you, you just maintain the vertical line properly. Below B there should be H, below H there should be P, below P there should be R. It should not move little bit that side. Okay, very good, otherwise it's very nice beta. Okay, I can see Sanstita. Sanstita, me see. This is Sanstita's handwriting. Will you confirm me? Sanstita, you have written on your own. Sanstita Mohanto, please turn on your camera. I would request Sanstita's parents to please turn on the camera. Very good, Simran. Now it is very clear. Very good, Shyami Prabhu. Yesterday's work. Excellent, beta. Just maintain the vertical part. Okay? You should write in a perfect line. And Srijan also. Very good. Very good, beta. Yes, now Siddhartha, it's very clear. RANG, number 4, word is incomplete, beta. Siddhartha, word is incomplete, number 4, please complete it. Anurag, yes, it has been sent. Please don't send twice, only once. Please don't send twice. Ekbari Pathan, please. Anifa, your work is not clear. পিকচারটা ভালো করে ওপর থেকে তোলো, আমি এইভাবে দেখতে পাচ্ছি না বেটা। Yes, still the picture is hazy, ম্যাম একটু যদি ক্লিয়ার করে পিকচারটাকে আপনি পরের বার থেকে তোলেন আমার পক্ষে সুবিধা হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম। ভেরি নাইস। হাতটা একটু নড়ে যাচ্ছে, আর কিছু না। একটু আপনি একটু টাইম নিয়ে তুলুন, অসুবিধা নেই। হ্যাঁ, ময়ূক মাঝি, লটস অফ পিকচার্স। নাও ইট ইজ ক্লিয়ার। Very good. 5 pictures I received from Moyuk Maji. Shrestha Nag, excellent beta. Where is the heading, beta? Shrestha, please put the heading, beta. Lots of. Okay, very nice. So everyone has sent the work, and Shyam Prabhu has done the activity which I was given yesterday on offline video. So I would request everyone to please go through the offline video from the starting to the end point, because usually activities are given at the ending point. So please go through the video every day regularly so that you can complete your task properly. Okay, thank you very much.